Now, I know you've heard about white gold, yellow gold, and even liquid gold. But what about black gold?
Luke's Tuesday Tip.
I'm Real Estate Luke Kendziorski, and on this week's Luke's Tuesday Tip, I paired up with Keep Knoxville Beautiful to show you guys how to make the easiest and probably cheapest compost bin out there. And it's as simple as using this old trash can, a drill, and a 5/8 drill bit. So compost bins need to breathe a little bit, so that's why we're going to start popping some holes in this bin. I'm going to put in probably about 20 holes, so 5 on each one of these sides. And then also, don't forget to put 1 or 2 at the bottom to let out any excess moisture that'll be in there. Here we go. Now that you got all your holes drilled into the side of your compost bin, we need to know what you can and can't put in your bin. Well, there you have it, the easiest, simple compost bin. If you have any other questions about how to do this compost bin or just want to chat, feel free to give me a call or a text at 865-236-0005. And special thanks to Keep Knoxville Beautiful for the awesome idea on this compost bin. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we'll see ya next Tuesday.